He has left a lesson for all of us. We must learn to live in the present. We must learn to accept circumstances. He was a great orator, a great student, a singer, a sports person. He lived life on the fast track. In this short span, he lived a complete life. He has left behind very, very happy memories. Memories that will make us feel happy for the rest of our lives. He had great desire to lead a very, very interesting, but he lived a complete life. We are all grieving over here for him. It's great sorrow. But I feel that every time we will close our eyes and think of him, we will feel his presence. His was a noble soul. Alpana was blessed by him 23 years ago, and she experienced that joy as if something very great had happened to her. This boy has really taken care of the whole family. I have been very close to them. Meena is my best friend, and I know how he has taken care of her, like the whole family. But Parth has been very, very special. Lots of things about Parth were not even known to the family. I visited their family. I told you earlier only I feel I'm a part of that family. And his brother showed me a poem that Parth had written. None of us knew he had the gift of the pen. When I read that poem, I felt as if he was writing his own. But I really feel it is necessary to read out Parth's own farewell to himself. I'm reading out Parth's poem. It was without a title. So entangled are my thoughts, hard to keep away, like squeezing a pumpkin into a pot. I want to preserve these ties, to taste the past I wait, but erupting inside my mind are many waves. I struggle with them every night. I believe you'll come to my rescue, but why are you out of sight? That little lamp deep inside my soul, on the verge of extinction, it's time that you play your role. So a single delicacy served on a platter. My dreams are shredding, my thoughts wander, days I ponder. Your face from which I try to obtain, it's there in my eyes. From all the sweet reflection, I intend to refrain. I request the Almighty for peace. I hope He is listening. I want to get back to my ease. Parth Vajpayee. This happy child left us suddenly. My humble request to all of you present here is, release the soul. He is happy. He is with God Almighty. Let him rest. And you can do that if you have peace in your heart. If you will remember him very fondly, you will not cry, but you will rejoice with all the happiness that he has given all of us gathered here. Each one of you present here has been touched by him. Let him rest. He is left from all the miseries of life. Let us wish him all the best. Let us experience lot of peace in our hearts. Let us learn from what this young child has taught us. There are so many happy memories. Let us learn to live with them.
Personality in a very neat way. Now I will request, क्योंकि हमारे कुछ बच्चे बाहर हैं, तो उन्होंने अपनी वीडियो क्लिप भेजी है पार्थ को ट्रिब्यूट्स पे करने के लिए, तो मैं 2 मिनट उनको प्ले करूंगा, उसके बाद 2-4 बच्चों को उनके दोस्त से बात को बुलवाऊंगा, उसके बाद प्रोग्राम को थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ाऊंगा.
And in this case, the youngest of your generation. You will hear people say a lot of good things about Parth. Trust me when I say this. He was all that and much, much more. Parth was extremely smart and diligent, and what he was capable of. His was a life full of great potential and hope that has sadly been cut short. But like they say, even God needs great individuals to be around him. He definitely was the epitome of that definition. An amazing son, a wonderful brother, and an incredible friend. The number of roles he played in people's lives and the impact he had on each one of them would perhaps take an eternity to explain. Depending on who you speak to, Parth was their motivator in chief, their mentor, their emotional pillar, their technical master, in essence, the go-to guy for everything, an amazing thing for a person of his age. He was this reservoir of energy who sparked life in everybody around him. Looking back at his life, I'm reminded about how much he wanted to do in whatever time he had. The only thing that we as family take solace from is the way he lived his life and did things that people are not even able to do in their lifetime. Parth, you have left a void that will be impossible to fill. We miss you, my brother. You will always be with us. I would like to end with an anonymous quote. If tears could build a stairway and memories a lane, I'd walk right up to heaven and bring you home again. God bless.
He was my nephew. Now I request them to play other clip. Prashant is very young.
इस जन्म में तो मेरे छोटे भाई बन के आए. ऐसे ही हर जन्म में किसी न किसी रूप में मेरे साथ रहना. अब तुम चले गए तो मैं तुम्हें इन रिश्तों के पार देख पा रहा हूँ, और अब मेरी समझ में आ रहा है कि तुम यहाँ एक चुने हुए उद्देश्य से आए थे, अपने चारों तरफ प्यार और शांति फैलाने. अपनी 23 वर्ष की लीला में तुमने जितना जी लिया वो लोग 50 वर्षों में नहीं जी पाते. तुमने हमें सिखाया है कि कोई भी संकट इतना बड़ा नहीं. तुमने हमेशा विपदाओं के पार देखा और स्वच्छंद उड़ते रहे. जहां भी हो ऐसे ही उड़ते रहना, अपना प्रकाश फैलाते रहना. यू आर अ स्टार.
Parth, our dear brother, you are the most loved one, and we always have and will always love you. Your smile was infectious and made our problems go away in a second. Your charm and charisma touched our lives so much that your absence in our lives will always be felt. There were numerous moments where I would try to act like the big sister and tell him, Parth, ऐसे करो, Parth, ऐसे मत करो, Parth, तुम्हें ये करना है, Parth, तुम्हें वो करना है. And he would just smile and say, When I would get irritated for not getting a proper response and say, समझ रहे हो ना? He would casually say, अरे सुन लिया है, चिंता मत करो, हम कर लेंगे. Parth would always have the last word in our conversations, with a smile, without even saying much. He always cared about his family, all his siblings, and his friends. He was the youngest, but he epitomized a part of all of us, brothers and sisters. Pankaj Mama, Alna Mami, and Uncle. He might not be there now, but a part of him still lives on in us and will always live. Parth loved all of you, and he always wanted us to be happy. All his photos were always smiling because he wanted us to smile whenever we remember him. Parth, we will cherish every memory we spent with you and will ensure you stay with us for our lifetimes. Love you, Parth.
Hi, Parth. One moment I cannot sum up what I have to say to you. But if you are a blessing and gone on to the other side, I have never felt more connected to the divine like this. I know you exist and that he exists, and that the world is there exists. क्योंकि तुम वहाँ हो. And I'm sure it's an amazing place. Because wherever you will be, there will be restaurants, chutney sandwiches, you'll be wearing my frocks, playing with my Barbies, having dramas, making evening plans, and everything will be happy. From home to sadness to part. The biggest moral that you gave me from your life is, इतना क्या? जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. A few good photos, amazing 23 years, and a life-changing experience. I feel more connected with you. You are my divine now. Earlier, I could not catch a hold of you, but now, even if you want, you cannot leave my heart and mind. Live the bliss freely, and we shall all unite one day again.
ये आवाज थी मेरी बेटी की, अनुभूति की. उसने अपना मैसेज दिया टर्की से. उसके पहले हमारी भांजी बोली, वो साइंटिस्ट है लंदन में. उसने अपना मैसेज दिया. उसके पहले उसका ब्रदर कजन बोला, शोभित फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. अब मैं इसके कुछ एक आध दोस्तों से कहूँगा, अगर वे अपनी कोई मेमोरीज शेयर करना चाहते हैं तो सामने आए.
तो बहुत टाइम हो गया, नहीं हो रहा था, तो मैंने उसे बोला टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो, कुछ कर लो, पैसे की बात ही नहीं है. तो कहता था मन नहीं कर रहा है अभी. मैंने बोला क्या, मतलब हफ्ते भर की बात है, कर लो थोड़ी देर में. उसका था कि कोका कोला एक कंपनी है तो उसमें ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. बातें हो रही थी, डिले होता जा रहा था, कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. तो कहता जाके उसने वहाँ भी कायदे से नहीं दिए कि मतलब पसंद नहीं आया, ये नहीं हुआ. अब वो जाके समझ आता है ऐसा वो बोलता क्यों था. अंदर से एक फीलिंग आ रही होगी कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कुछ. और हमेशा से एक चीज मैंने देखी, उसमें फैमिली की बात है, सब क्या करते हैं, उसका थोड़ा एक लेवल ज़्यादा था कि वो जितना क्या करता था. और दोस्तों की बात ज़्यादा आती है तो उसके दोस्त जैसे हम लोग हो गए, ठीक है, हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से आते हैं, साल हो गए, 10 साल हो गए, 11 साल हो गए. जो अभी भी अगर दो जैसे सिंगापुर के दोस्त हैं, उसके 2-3 साल हुए हैं कितने, उनके साथ भी इतना है कि अगर वो एक बार बोलेंगे कि यहाँ कर लो, वो कर लो, किसी प्रॉब्लम में कोई तो तुरंत पहुँच जाएगा वो. मतलब सोचना नहीं है दूसरी बार कि ये कौन है. एक बार किसी ने बताया कि ये दिक्कत है, हाँ दिक्कत है. अभी रिसेंटली कुछ एक इंसिडेंट था कि सिद्धांत है, उसका फ्रेंड चेन्नई में है, उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, तो उसकी इंजरी हो गई थी, तो उसको एग्जाम मिस करना पड़ रहा था. तो वो यहाँ पे था इंडिया में. फिर वहाँ से उसने कुछ बात करी होगी कि मेरा एग्जाम फिर ऑनलाइन लेने लगे वो. तो सिद्धांत की तबीयत तो मतलब ठीक ठाक थी, तो उनका जब ऑनलाइन एग्जाम आया, कहता है मेरे को भेज दो, मैं तो आइले कर देता हूँ. एंड उसने जब एग्जाम आया तो उसने उसको आंसर बताया सारे फोन पे, उसका एग्जाम किया. देन सिद्धांत वहाँ पे घर पे बैठ के, तबीयत खराब थी तो पास हो गया. पास क्या हो गया, टॉपर ने आंसर लिखे थे, अच्छा हो गया. तो वही है कि मतलब सोचना नहीं उसको कि सिद्धांत चलो ठीक है कितने साल हुए, एकदम से ऐसा कि कोई बोल दे मेरा एग्जाम कर दो, ऐसे कोई नहीं करता. साल 2 साल या 10 साल हो जाते हैं, लोग कुछ नहीं करते. वही है. बाहर फिर ऐसे ही जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, मतलब जितने साल हो रहा सब उसने बहुत अच्छा किया. बस वही है, जाए चला गया तो दुख तो होता ही है सबको. और बाकी चलो आंटी और अंकल की मेरे को लगता है कि आंटी जो, इसलिए मैं अभी कानपुर सब लोग गए थे, मेरे में हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई. मैं जितने भी हम लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा पहले से जानता हूँ. कानपुर में जाने की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी कि मतलब वहाँ जाऊँगा, आंटी से मिलूँगा. वहाँ पे 2 दिन पहले था जब वहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल में, तो आंटी तो मतलब बात करने की उसमें नहीं थी. कानपुर में जाके बातें होती सब होता, तो मेरी तो अटेंड करने की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी. वहाँ जाके करूँगा क्या, आ जाए आना तो था ही. तो फिर उसके बाद फिर फाइनली कर पाया मैं बात. वही है, बात अच्छा था, बस और क्या हो सकता.
और कोई बोलेगा? अमन
was a brother to me, even though I've not known him as such a long time as probably Neha Didi, Bhabhi, ma'am, but he has touched everyone's life. All that has been said about Parth, he was all that and much more. I have not known a lot about Parth, but what I found out today, he was a special person, very special, and I just hope that we get half of the qualities like he had. He was a great son, a great brother, a great helping hand. He was someone who just got the work done and never took credit for it. He was like a helping hand for everyone. He used to act from the shadows. We feel happy if he can only make 5 friends, 5 genuine friends. But he was a friend's friend. And seeing that he has touched so many hearts in his lives, we just hope that his memories live on with us and we can have some of his qualities, so that even we would be able to say that we are in some way like Parth and we are special like him. I just wish that his soul rests in peace, and brother, we'll really miss you.
As it is a condolence meeting, I will request all his friends to be very crisp, okay? Naman, Roman, anyone coming forward?
I studied with Parth for 3 years in Singapore, and all those moments are very special. And we finished together last year, and he sent me off to airport. I was convincing him not to come because I thought we'll meet again for convocation, and I really I don't know. I didn't think I would be in India and he would not be with us. It's very sad, and I will miss him a lot, and I'm sure everyone will miss him very much.
It is sufficient to express here what it means to lose a child at this age. I stand by the bereaved family as a wailing father. May his soul rest in peace. But this is something the world is designed. It happens like this only in the world. But what God wills, we stand helpless. I pray to the Almighty to grant him peace and strength to the bereaved family to withstand. It is not a loss, it is a collateral damage. But then again, let us stand by it, bear the burden. I'll sing a few songs composed by great philosophers and poets. My friends are here to help me out, to sing to the audience. It is all in the praise of the Lord. Thank you so much. Hari bin Hari bin Hari bin tero मेरो मन बार अपना कोई नहीं हरि बिन तेरो मेरो मन बार अपना कोई नहीं हरि बिन तेरो मेरो मन बार अपना कोई नहीं बाग लगाया महल बनाया तू कहे घर मेरा रे बाग लगाया महल बनाया तेरा तेरा रे अपना कोई नहीं। हरि बिन तेरो प्रभु बिन तेरो हरि बिन तेरो मेरो मनवा अपना कोई नहीं। माह तक रोवे माता तेरा दिन तक भाई। छह माह तक रोवे माता जन्म जन्म की प्रिया रोए। जन्म जन्म की प्रिया रोए कर गया हाथ पराई रे अपना कोई नहीं। हरि बिन तेरो मेरो मनवा अपना कोई नहीं। गुरु बिन तेरो प्रभु बिन तेरो मेरो मनवा अपना